Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to blank off the pipes to the EGR cooler, allowing you to completely remove the EGR cooler and EGR cooler thermostat from the vehicle. If you've already blanked off and deleted the EGR valve, stopping any recirculated exhaust gases entering the intake manifold, it is also worthwhile completely removing the EGR cooler, as this component is now redundant. Our kit allows you to completely remove the EGR cooler, blanking off the two pipes to the EGR cooler and the EGR cooler thermostat. Our kit features a solid blank for the pipe to the EGR cooler and a blank with a vent screw which replaces the EGR thermostat. This enables you to still bleed the cooling system when required. You can see here the EGR cooler. The two pipes have already been eliminated when deleting the EGR valve, so you still have two pipes remaining, one to the EGR cooler and one to the thermostat. On this lower hose, remove the Jubilee clip and pull the hose away from the cooler unit. Insert our blank into the hose and secure this with a Jubilee clip. Repeat this process for the hose to the EGR thermostat. Again, release the clip and remove the hose from the EGR thermostat. This blank features a bleeding screw for the cooler system. Ensure this screw is tight and fastened securely. And insert a blank into this pipe. Again, secure the blank with the clip. You can see here now both of these pipes are blanked off, and you can now completely remove the EGR cooler from the vehicle. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643, or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you for watching.